Very simple Hare Krishna Maha Mantra melody, guitar, chords. Very simple. 3 chords only. G chord. I'm not going to teach how to play the chords. You can find that in other places online. But it's a G chord you need, a D chord, and an A chord. Back to D. That's it. G, D, A, D. G, D, A, D. Over and over and over. So start with the G chord. Hare Krishna. Second Hare Krishna, switch to the D. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna, switch to the A. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare, back to D. Hare Hare. For Hare Rama, same pattern. Start with G. Hare Rama. Second Hare Rama, D. Hare Rama. Rama Rama is the A. Rama Rama. Back to, you guessed it, D. Hare Hare. Over and over and over and over. So simple, you just need to learn those 3 chords. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. I'm going to make another video with the strumming pattern. A lot of people have been asking about that.